Good morning, student. Today I am going to take your SST. So let's start with chapter 1, that is India. India is one of the major countries in the world. India is a big country and you know that India is our motherland. India is one of the oldest civilization in the world. Its total area is 3.287 million square meter. Area wise, if you discuss about the area wise, India is a 7th in position after China, Canada, USA, Russia, Brazil and Australia. Canada also. It is the 7th in area wise, but according to population, it is the 2nd in the position after China. So, what is the location of India? What is the location of India? India is the southernmost part in the Asia, continent Asia. And you know that Asia is the largest continent in the world. So India is situated in southernmost part of continent Asia. Now, location. India is situated in Asia and is the southernmost part of the continent Asia. Now about its area. India is also known as peninsula because it is surrounded by water bodies from 3 sides. What? From east it is Bay of Bengal, from west it is Arabian Sea and in south it is Indian Ocean. So that's why India is also known as peninsula. India is a vast landside with their 2 islands that are Andaman and Nicobar Island, that is in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep, that is in Arabian Sea. It stretches 3.214 kilometer and from east to from north to south, that is north from Kashmir to south from in Kanyakumari, and area wise it stretches 2.933 kilometer from east Arunachal Pradesh to west Gujarat. So it is its area. The land frontiers is 15,200 kilometer and coastline is 6,100 kilometer. But if we take total coastline including the islands, that is 7.516 kilometer. So these are the location of it. Now India is surrounded by many other countries. That means it shares its boundaries with other countries like Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in east, and in the south we share our neighborhood country is Sri Lanka and Maldives. But Sri Lanka and Maldives can't share boundaries with us. So these are the neighbors of countries. The neighboring countries are Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now come to the political division. The division which is based on the state and the boundaries of state and their countries is called political divisions. You know that India is a very big country with a population of 133 crores. So for our central government, it is not easy to run the big country. So to run the country smoothly, it is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. This in union territories, the new union territories Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh is included in this. So one question is, what is union territory? The union territories are those states which are directly run by the central government. These are union territories, including our national capital territory, Delhi. Delhi is also a union territory. So to run this country smoothly and take better care of people in our country, our India is divided into 28 states and 28 states and 9 union territories. So 28 states and 9 union territories. Among this, Rajasthan is the biggest state, Goa is the smallest state, but population wise, Uttar Pradesh has largest population. So these are the political division, 28 state and 9 union territory. To run the country smoothly, it is very necessary to divide the country into 28 state and 9 union territories. So now come to the physical division. The division based on the landforms like mountain, river, valley, plains, these are called physical division. India is a very vast country and a variety of landform in it. Highest mountain, plains, plateau, many rivers originated from here and flow through the plains. So according to these landforms, we divide this landform in 6 groups. How many groups? 6 physical division. 6 physical divisions. We divide India's landform in 6 physical divisions. Number 1 is the northern mountain. Number 2, the northern plain. The northern plain. Number 3, the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert. The Peninsular Plateau. Number 5th is the coastal plain, and last one is the islands. So these are our physical division. What are they? The northern mountain, the northern plain, the Great Indian Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plain, and the islands. So in India, we learn about their location, physical features, political features.